Health alert now. Several cases of whooping cough are confirmed at Pere schools. Pere Health Department officials say confirmed and probable cases are at multiple buildings in that district. Health officials say close contacts are being notified via their associated health departments as well as by letters. They also urge families to get up-to-date vaccines against whooping cough. Whooping cough is a highly contagious disease that can begin with light symptoms like coughing or fever and can lead to more severe symptoms like violent coughing fits and even vomiting. The Pere Health Department will hold a vaccine clinic for adults with insurance and for children without insurance on Medicaid tomorrow. That's from 2:30 to 4:30. The insurance company must contact their provider. It will take place at 335 South Broad.